Hello everybody, welcome to my cooking channel. So today I'm going to cook duck. Yeah. So first of all, I want to marinate the duck first. So I'm using this brand. So marinate the duck with the 5 flavored spices. Oyster sauce. Thick soy sauce. Mix well. This one also already nice smell already. So we marinate the duck for 1 to 2 hours first, so that the taste go inside the duck. While waiting for the duck to marinate, so I'm going to cook Sawi tumis first. First of all, stir fry the garlic and the anchovy. Put egg. Sawi hijau. Sawi hijau. These are all the ingredients to make duck: lemongrass, lengkuas, shallots, and garlic. Now I'm going to pound all these ingredients. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Lengkuas. So now I'm going to cook duck patlo. So stir fry all the ingredients that we pound just now. Put in the marinated duck just now. Mix well. Ajinomoto, sugar, mix well. Got there. Water, mix well. Cover it. Nice smell. I want to put in more sugar. And then a bit of aji again. Nah, cukup rasa. Yeah. I want to put ketchup again. I like it to be pekat. I like it to be dark. Cover it again. Look at that, guys. Smell nice. Taste it first. Mantap, this one. Then the meat. Beef for balls.
Beef for what again?
Okay, cook already. Patlo duck. Sawi to Mr. Lo. This one is Itek Paklo, duck Paklo. Look at that.
Thank you for watching with me. If you like our video, feel free to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel Jessicajvst. Yes, that's right. Just type in the search Jessicajvst to view more of our videos. Hope to see you in the next video. Bye-bye.